Okay, so we're going to be talking about roundabouts during this video. So in front of us we've got a standard roundabout, has 3 exits, only 1 lane marked, but on most roundabouts you'd have 2 as you approach a roundabout. So why do we have roundabouts? We have roundabouts because otherwise it'd be a really complicated crossroads. You'd have real difficulty if you've ever done a crossroad, turning right when you've got a car opposite, turning right, also someone turning left opposite. You've got a car on your right coming in to turn left, but then there's someone on the left turning right. It's a nightmare. So people say that, oh, I don't like roundabouts, but actually the life without them would be far more dangerous and far more scary. So the whole point is to keep flow of traffic moving. They are self-regulating without the need for traffic lights. A brilliant invention, been around over 100 years, and so simple. It just works. Don't confuse anyone with any side roads or anything like that. Consider that. Don't signal too early. All of those things that we've talked about for many times. Once you've done this, obviously only for this purpose, you're going to check your mirrors.